Hey everyone, a well-written cover letter can help you stand out from other job applicants. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional cover letter in Microsoft Word using built-in templates and simple formatting tools. So let's get started. Open Microsoft Word, then use the search box on the home screen and type cover letter. Word offers several professionally designed templates. Browse the available options, choose one that fits your style, and click Create. Replace the sample information with your own details. Add your full name, phone number, email address, and location at the top. Then enter the employer's name, company name, and the date before starting the letter. Start with a professional greeting. In the opening paragraph, explain the position you're applying for and briefly introduce yourself. In the next paragraph, highlight your most relevant skills and experience. Finish by thanking the employer for their time and expressing your interest in an interview. Now, review the formatting. Use a clean font, keep the text left aligned, and maintain consistent spacing throughout the letter. You know, a one-page cover letter is usually the best choice because it's easy for employers to read. When you're happy with the final version, click File, then Save as to save the document. Before sending your application, export or save the cover letter as a PDF so the formatting stays consistent on every device. And that's how to create a professional cover letter in Microsoft Word. A clear, personalized cover letter can leave a strong first impression and improve your job application. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.